My name's Moninya Roughan. I'm a Professor of Oceanography at UNSW in Sydney.
This is my NCRIS story.
I study ocean circulation, ocean dynamics and ocean warming, particularly on the east coast of Australia in the East Australian current system. I use a lot of tools in my research, and many of these tools have been funded by NCRIS. In fact, NCRIS has been fundamental to us completing our research successfully. The first NCRIS program I was involved in was IMOS, the Integrated Marine Observing System. IMOS has been in operation since around 2006, and I joined the team right at that time. And NCRIS gave us the foundation, the platform, to actually set up our National Ocean Observing Program. So we're responsible for the deployment of HF radar to measure surface currents, for gliders to measure the ocean autonomously, and the program that I led was the moorings program, where we instrument the ocean with long-term moorings. We use these moorings to get long-term time series of temperature and ocean currents. One of the tools we use is an NCRIS-funded facility called FishSOOP, our fishing vessels as ships of opportunity program. In this program, we're partnering with the commercial fishing industry to instrument their fishing vessels to collect ocean data everywhere at all times. So wherever people are out fishing, we're working to collect ocean temperature data with them in partnership. Our coastal oceans off Southeast Australia are warming at an alarming rate, and we know this because of the observations collected under the NCRIS program. Another piece of infrastructure I use, which is funded by NCRIS, is the Marine National Facility. This is our large research vessel, the RV Investigator. She's a beautiful 95-metre vessel. We spend up to 30 days at a time on her with our whole team of up to 40 scientists. She's allowed us to collect vast amounts of ocean data that we use and that are absolutely fundamental to the research that we do. When we get back to land, we have all our data collected from our autonomous platforms and our moorings, and also the research vessel. The next thing we need is our supercomputers. We run our numerical models on NCI, the National Computational Infrastructure, which is also funded by NCRIS. These numerical models help us forecast the ocean over weeks, months, seasons, and decades. The ocean modelling program that's funded by NCRIS is Access NRI, our Earth System Modelling Research Infrastructure. So now you can see we have the whole piece. We have the observations, we have the supercomputer, we have the vessel, and we have our modelling program. I've used all these facilities to support my research over the last 2 decades. So broadly, my entire research career has been built off the back of these really fundamental NCRIS-funded programs, for which we're incredibly grateful.